Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. I am Anne. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your own bottle of hand wash at home. So let's get started. So for this, we'll be needing the following ingredients and equipment. So for mixing the ingredients, we'll need a glass bowl. It's not necessary that it has to be a glass bowl. It can be any utensil that is available in your kitchen. Next, you need a bathing soap. It can be any soap. It is not necessary that it has to be of one brand, but make sure that you don't use an Ayurvedic soap. Next, you will be needing a grater which will be used to grate the soap. Next is the most essential ingredient, that is glycerin. This glycerin is readily available in your nearest medical store at a very nominal price. You will also need 2 liters of purified water. Make sure you use purified water and not distilled water. And last but not the least, a wooden rod, a big spoon or anything to stir it well. In order to boil the water, I'll be using a steel vessel. Make sure that you use a vessel which is not used in a daily basis in your kitchen, as the smell of the soap remains. So let's begin. So first, let's pour 2 liters of water into this vessel. I've placed the vessel on the stove for boiling. By the time our water boils, we'll grate our soap. As I mentioned earlier, we'll only require 1 soap for this process. I am done grating the soap. Now we'll be putting this grated soap into the boiled water. So once we have done pouring the grated soap into this boiled water, we will stir it well until it gets dissolved properly. Make sure to keep it stirring continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it has completely dissolved because I have stirred it well. Since it has dissolved well, now I'll put off the flame. Now I'll be pouring 2 tablespoons of glycerin, which is 10 ml. After pouring the glycerin into this mixture, I shall stir it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes till it is dissolved properly. After stirring this well, I shall close the vessel with a lid. Now you have to check this after 11 hours. After 11 hours, when you come back, you see the mixture is ready and it has formed a thick layer and has become foamy. I'll be filling the empty bottles. It is always better to use a funnel in order to prevent spilling. So I have made 4 bottles of 500 ml liquid soap and 1 dispenser containing the hand wash. Let's test our hand wash, guys. Our hand wash is ready. Hope you all enjoyed this video. This process is very easy and anybody can try this at their home. I hope this video was helpful and you will make the most out of it. Trust me, you will enjoy the process of making it and your parents will be proud to see you make your own bottles of hand wash. Of course, it is cost effective and is of good quality. I understand that this pandemic is taking a huge toll on our lives, but we are in this together and we shall surpass this too. If you have any queries or if you want to talk about anything, feel free to approach us on the given contact details. Till we meet again, stay home, stay safe.